I'm about to put in a new cabin air filter. I got this nice one here, Fram Fresh Breeze. Got it here, it's all wrapped in plastic. And I'll get to that. And I believe it goes in that way. Airflow going down. I believe, grab this. That's one side. And then same thing. The other side, and those are like the two stoppers that make it stop here. Obviously, you can see the little rubber on it to make it like a soft drop, as it were, when you open it. And then you got this little hydraulic piece. And what I'll do is go up a little bit. Now this is the tricky part. I may need a screwdriver to assist me here. It should just like kind of slide off, but you know what I mean? But it's not being that way, so. Oh, there we go. Got it. All right. Now there my glove box hangs. I'm gonna take that. I don't know if this has ever been changed on this car, so about to find out. Oh God, I can already see dirt. Wipe that off too. Okay. So you grab and just pull basically, but in my case, I'm gonna grab slowly because I'm gonna get it all over the place. All that crap. Wow, unbelievable. Holy shit. Wow, look at that though. Arrow points down. So we just got to remember that. Wow. So how much? Oh, there's the blower motor. I could feel the blower. I'm just curious to look inside. You know, I mean, you can't really see much though. Well, that's cool. I honestly cannot even see that from over here. I'm using my phone to see. It's not bad though. Okay, so here's the new filter. Let's slide this in. It'll be pretty straightforward. You would think. Here we go. Airflow is down, just like it's supposed to be. And in it goes. And there's a new filter. Let me just push it in all the way. Hold on. There. Alright, so we just put our door back on. Alright. That part's complete. Alright. into two little pieces. Again, I gotta get the thing up. It's the one side. Boy, there's a lot easier to get back in versus getting them out. All right. Cool. And I'll bring that upstairs. All right, let's check it out.
Bonus reward for every $50 spent in-store or at jcp.com through October 29th. Hurry in this Thursday through Sunday for the biggest sale of them all. JCPenney. Offers represent savings on regular or original prices while supplies last. Maximum 3 bonus rewards per customer. Restrictions and exclusions apply. Store or jcp.com for details. Get your home set for Thanksgiving.
Cool.
The best brands for less at Rent Center. From living rooms to dining rooms to 4K TVs, you can splurge with
I mean, I can't really tell.
Plus, get guaranteed 2-day delivery when you order in-store before November 16th.
I never sit on this side, first of all.
Big brands, small payments.
But it seems pretty forceful.
Participating locations only. 2-day delivery applies to in-store agreements for in-stock items rented by November.
Very nice.
And delivered to addresses within the normal service area of the store.
Let's put it. Actually, that's pretty forceful for being on the feet and the front. There we go. Nice. All right. Well, that's how you change the air filter.